Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this error. Hopefully at the end of this video this this problem will get fixed. So let's jump right into the video. So first thing that you have to do, we need to disable, and then what you have to do, right, go at the bottom and we have to add a folder or a file in we need to add exception in this antivirus that I'm using, Windows Defender, Windows Security. Or so go to your antivirus, and I'm using and I'll show you how you can add an exception in Windows Security, because that's the antivirus I'm using. So head over to the Windows Security, and then in the home page click on Virus Threat Protection, and then go to Manage Settings. And once you've done that, then now just scroll a bit more, and here we add or remove exclusions. Yes, and add an exclusion, select file, and here please go to this PC, then local C, Riot Games, Valorant, Live Engine, binaries, Win64. Scroll a little bit down, and here Unreal, click on open, and we added an exclude. Now the next method to fix this, now let's go to Windows Defender Firewall. Here click on allow an app or feature to Windows Defender Firewall. Here click on change settings, and here we need to go to allow another app, browse, and here we have to go to this PC, Riot Games, Valorant, Live, and click on Valorant, add, and check private and public. Go to allow another app. Okay, now let's go to pad again. Here Riot Games, click on Riot Client, and please now select Riot Client Services and add, and here please check private and public. And here please click on Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, binaries, Win64, and select also Valorant Win64 shipping. Click on it, double click, add, and check public as well. And okay. And that's pretty much, guys, what you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. And let me know, guys, in the comment section if you tried both of these methods and whether it worked or not. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, for more tutorials. If this video helped you out and like this video, I really appreciate that. And as I said, if you have any questions, and also let me know in the comment section if it worked, because I'll look for other ways to fix this problem, because I really want to help you fix these issues, because I know they're very annoying when you're trying to just play the game and have fun. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.